Guys, so I literally just did my makeup in like 15 minutes. In actually less than 15, like in 12 minutes. This is what my piece is looking like. I just filled in my brows. So I want to quickly do like a Shein haul. I'm kind of contemplating whether to use this background or to use my studio as a background. So I have the next 20 minutes to figure it out, but now I want to put on my wig, straighten it. Let me turn on the AC so that way hair can be cool. But we're going to finesse it. Let me show you guys what my studio is looking like right now. Same old studio. I just moved everything to the front because I did like another recreation, but this is what it looks like. This is my background. I think I might use this as my background. Hey guys, so I feel like not like I feel like it is my shirt and my, what's it called, I'm so tired. Like we're color coordinating. So today has just been a very long but still very productive day. So I woke up literally by like 8 a.m. left the house, and I left the house pretty early, like by 9. I went straight to the bank for my PTA. I went to do my lashes. By the way, this is what my lashes are looking like. I've literally just been, I went to the supermarket, like I've literally just been on the move from like 9 till about 5 when I got home around 5, and I did this makeup in 15 minutes. And then I had to film like a Shein haul, which I did. That's basically it. My flight is for like 12:30, I think, and my flight later tomorrow night is for 8:55, basically 9 o'clock. So I need to be in Abuja as early as possible, at least before 6, so that I can like check in and all that. Yeah, I don't know what's been going on, because this trip was like one of the most, not even one, like the most impromptu trip that we've ever had. Like the visa just came out like the visa came out yesterday. We bought the tickets yesterday, and we literally did everything yesterday. I don't know if I deserve to go and have fun, but I'm trying to leave, if that makes sense. So I have eba with me because, guys, I have eba and egusi. So you know, when you work yourself so hard, you feel like you need to swallow something hard to complement that level of effort you've put in. That's how I feel like. My packing, I usually plan my packing. I know that sounds weird, but like typically before I pack for like a travel, I always have a plan. So I usually start off with the easiest ones, which are like toiletries, makeup. Outfits are like where I suffer. Underwear is easy, so I just do the basic ones. So when it comes to like making swallow, eba is the quickest thing. If you guys don't know this at this point, then you're not Nigerian. Eba is the quickest thing you can make to swallow. I think the pepper I put in it, amazing. Do you guys eat eba in 2 different plates, or do you eat it in the same plate? Personally, if I'm eating by myself, I just have it in one single plate. If I'm eating with my husband, then we have it in like eba plate and soup plate, but we always eat together. I think that's a culture I want my kids to have, some sort of like a unity. Eat from the same plate. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this off camera because I'm about to spread my legs and get into this, because so I'll be back. Lord. Whew. Guys, this eba is about to knock me out, but I have a list of things that I need to do. I'm just kind of trying to create a plan for my packing. So I'm just gonna start filling things in. So I've spent exactly 10 minutes. Equipment, I have my camera, my tripod, extra is written there, but that's like TMI. In terms of like toiletries, I have my soap, sponge, toothbrush. In terms of my hair, I'm taking 3 wigs, and in terms of my makeup, I have a complete makeup set, basically one of everything. And what I mean by that is, usually when it comes to like packing makeup, we tend to get overwhelmed with, like, I have like 5 foundations. I love 5 of them. I want to pack all of them. Well, if you like a lot of baggage, good for you. But for me, what I do is I take one of everything. So 1 eyebrow product, 1 eyeliner, 1 lip liner, 1 nude lipstick, 1 lip gloss, 1 red lipstick, 1 concealer under eye, 1 foundation, 1 contour, 1 powder, 1 setting powder. I try to kind of minimize this so that way I don't get overwhelmed with it. So yeah, by doing that, I'm not going to pack a lot of products. Typically I would pack like 3-4 foundations because I like one and I think the other one is cool, and blah 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 blah. I pack like 4 concealers and then I have like 2 bags, 3 shoes. In terms of accessories and other, I have to take my earrings, sunglasses, my dollar card, my black card, PTA, and the cash, and some naira cash, sorry, because if you guys know anything about traveling in Nigeria, is that you just need cash, and I'm the cash holder, or I'm the money holder in my family. When I say my family, between my husband and I, I'm the one who holds the money because I'm more, should I say, reliable. So yeah, I need to make sure I have cash because I know that when we get there, one person or the other will ask for money, like, you know, all that annoying things. I usually don't like waiting. I just take I beg because it's so irritating. So yeah, if I do have money, I sometimes give, because honestly, even though it's a very disgusting attitude that we tend to exhibit, especially in international airports, when we think about how much these people are actually making. But my only problem with tipping is that sometimes when you tip, people tend to kind of feel entitled to tipping, that they expect everybody to tip, and they expect everybody to tip a certain amount. I know everybody can do that, so that's my only problem. I don't mind, like, once in a while when I see you doing a good job, I tip you. I tip the driver, tip whoever is working for me once in a while, and it does go a long way. So I need to carry cash for going and coming back into Nigeria, because coming back into Nigeria is even worse than going, because coming back is more or less like, oh wow, you're back, so you have money and you have everything, so we're gonna stress you. But yeah, so now a girl has to start packing. I'm gonna start packing my toiletries because that seems like the easiest thing. Pack my toiletries, my equipment. My clothing might be last, so all these little hair, makeup, those ones will take me like less than 1 minute to pack. So let me just do that right now. So first things first, I always play music. I hope the speakers are on. So packing will take me less than an hour. Wow, why is my battery low already? So let me connect to the Bluetooth and pack my clothes, basically. Hey guys, so let me put you guys behind my box. Right now, a girl I wouldn't say I finished cleaning up. I've said cleaning up. I wouldn't say I finished arranging my box, but I've arranged it to about 70%. I've arranged it to about 70%. I've kind of sorted out my filming equipment, so I just need to kind of charge all the batteries. So I have another hour, 30 minutes to kind of finish, you know, arranging, you know, getting ready for bed. I'm going to shower the next 30 minutes. I just want to take like a quick 10 minutes break and kind of print out my document. So I'm kind of thinking I might bring my printer to the room, but then I'm officially waking up by 7:30. Have my bath, dress up, 8 o'clock, do final house cleaning, water the plants, you know, check if there's anything I need to like wash, if I need to do it, like I don't know. So I have my COVID test, my COVID result printed out, mine and my husband's. After this, guys, I think I'm done. The remaining, I just want to wait for like my batteries to fully charge, so I'll just put everything inside the bag. Like I said previously, I've literally packed everything. Everything that I need is on this table right here. So all I need to do is just take it, put it in my camera bag when I'm done.